You get such a clip high when you look down and you see, like, you know when you get a clip riding, that high you feel? It feels the same when you're getting the clip. One of the things I was on filming, when you're like hooking with the gimbal and you look down and you can see the shot. Like when I was bombing in front of you guys, down that trail on the morning ride the other morning, and I got that shot with the dog and the dust and everything, I was bombing, holding it, and I like having so much fun. And I like look down and see the clip of you guys with the glow behind you ripping and see that I got it framed up super good in that moment. It was like, like a hit. You're just like, yeah!
Thank you, Mom.
Thank you, Mom. Check this. Wait. You guys see that handstand? It's like 30 seconds. I may be a little red in the face. That's all the blood in my head because that handstand was so long. Hey, watch that video. I bet you I can do a handstand the whole entire time you're doing it. Check this out. Oh, this one didn't work good.